Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Nay plus M. Name. Drop plus pair. Drop pair. Name dropper. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to our program. We have two newcomers with us, although they made their debut on our last program. This young man on my right won a game and picked up $3,629 in prize winnings. His name is David Oliver. We're delighted to have him back with us.
Thank you, Al.
The young lady he defeated, and that's why she has the 1X against her, is this mother of 3 or 4?
4.
4, Yolanda Favela. Welcome back to you, Yolanda, and good luck today.
Thank you.
Now, you promised us at the end of our last game that you were going to clean his clock in this one. Are you going to do that?
Of course I am.
Okay. Take a look over here. If you do, you might wind up with this as a prize.
A traditional tea and coffee service in elegant gold plate with tea and coffee service, sugar bowl, creamer, and footed tray, furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
That is a beautiful set. And we also have a holiday in Bermuda, Yolanda.
Oh,
and we'll show you where you can find that set on the board at number 21. Easy to remember in that lower left-hand corner. You select first.
Okay, let's go in the middle of number 13.
Recliner.
Let's hope for a wild card on the number 9.
No. An antique library globe. David.
Ooh, okay, I'm going to start with number 1.
Bermuda Beach Club vacation.
Let's go for the match under number 25.
No, we have a computer. Yolanda.
Number 12.
Wild card.
Let's take number 1.
Number 1, she says. That's the Bermuda Beach Club vacation. All right, Yolanda, the other Bermuda Beach Club holiday is at number 8, and we will open 3 panels for your benefit right now. And even though it's early, you might want to take a wild guess. But in this case, it would have to be wild, because I can't make sense out of this, and I know what the puzzle is. Select again.
Number 15, please.
Gas barbecue.
Number 23.
Chef's barbecue tools, no match. David.
Number 21.
Gold tea and coffee set.
And number 5.
Oak and brass bar, no match. Yolanda.
Number 9.
Antique library globe.
Let's go for number 22, please, for the match.
Yes, 22. 22 is right. Another prize for the lady. Another look at the puzzle as well. Try it again.
Number 25.
Computer.
Ooh, I could use that for my son. Number 5.
Oak and brass bar, no match. David.
Okay, number 2.
Wild card.
All right. I'm gonna get that computer under number 25.
Computer coming up, and the other computer at number 14.
Okay.
3 panels opening up for David. You get a kick out of what you see. You're always smiling. You're in a good mood.
I am in a good mood.
I like that. All right. Select again.
Number 6.
Maybe this is a funny puzzle. I don't know. Diamond
tennis bracelet. We haven't seen that yet.
No, I think you're right.
Match under number 4.
Think so?
Yeah.
No? Ooh. Chef's barbecue tools. Obviously, that's not going to match. Yolanda.
Number 23, please.
Tools.
And number 4.
23 and 4 go together. They go together, and Yolanda has to win this game. She's trailing. Open it up. Select again, Yolanda.
Number 16.
Recliner.
Number 10.
No, that's the red take. David?
Okay, number 20.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
And the match under number 6.
Diamond tennis bracelet is right.
All right.
2 prizes for you, 3 for Yolanda, but you get a chance to solve the puzzle.
I do.
Go again.
Number 15, gas barbecue in the match under number 18.
18? No, that's gold tea and coffee set. Yolanda.
Number 11, please.
Red take.
Number 21.
Oh, no, that's the gold tea and coffee set. David, back to you.
Okay, I'm going to go with number 18 and the match under number 21.
That is correct. And that earns you another chance to solve the puzzle. Can you do it? Try it again.
Okay, number 3.
Green take.
Green take. Oh, number 17.
Wild card, so the green take is coming your way. As soon as we show you the other one on the board, which is at number 19. You want to hold on to it for
I'm
a
going
while?
to use it.
Right now?
I'm going to take the Bermuda holiday.
You might.
Yeah.
Weren't you hoping he'd go for the barbecue tools?
There's another still and another take still.
There sure is.
All righty. But for the moment, David has the board all to himself as these panels swing open. Go again.
Okay, number 7. Gas barbecue and the match under number 15.
Yes. Once again, a match for the young man. 2 more panels are going to swing open for him. Select.
Number 16.
Recliner.
Recliner. And the other recliner under number 11.
No. Red take. Yolanda.
Number 10, please.
Red take.
Number 16.
Oh, Yolanda, look.
Mistake.
I had it in my hand, ready to give to you.
Thank you.
David.
Thank you. I'm going to go with number 11 and number 10.
That's the red take. Library globe and barbecue tools is what Yolanda has.
I'm going to take the barbecue tools for my barbecue.
All right. Good thinking. Barbecue tools for his barbecue, he says. But can he solve the puzzle to win it all?
Yes.
That's the important thing. One more match will completely reveal this puzzle to you, David.
Okay, number 5
Oak and brass bar.
and number 13.
No. Yolanda, you're alive.
Number 16.
Recliner.
Number 13, please, for
That's
the match.
the match there. That prize goes into your column. Well, you lost out on the vacation, but you could win some good prizes and get a chance to play for a car. We'll open these 2 panels, and we will now show you the oak and brass bar at 5 and 24. When we open these doors, Yolanda, I want you to solve this puzzle. David, can you do it? Obviously you can't. Hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you by explaining some of the symbols. Remember, you're free to ring in when the green light goes on, but if you do ring in, you must be prepared to solve it immediately. We have hey for A. Then Yolanda?
A close and neat family.
A close and knit family. And she is right. We're allowing a little leeway for the Spanish accent, folks, but that's all right. Yolanda came through. She knew the solution, and she gets to explain it.
We have the hay plus the close, a close, and plus the end, neat, heat, plus the neat, the F plus the ham, the meal, and the E for family.
A close-knit family, sure. Yes, indeed. Bravissima. And David has 1 strike only against him, and that means he'll play in the deciding game of this match when he returns in a little while. Okay. We'll see you then, David. Right now, Yolanda, you're a winner, and you've got some prizes. Let's hear about them. Gene.
An oak and brass bar, an antique library globe, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an antique library globe or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a recliner. The Berkline Contemporary Rock-A-Lounger with deep pillow seat permits lounging, rocking, or full-length reclining in pleasurable comfort, furnished by Berkline.
Yolanda just told me that today is her birthday, so happy birthday to you, and I hope you win a brand new car. When we come back after this...
Now is the time to review your Medicare options.
Survey set. 3, 5,000,
10,000,
20,000.
That's a lot of money we're playing for. Go.
Big box.
Yes!
Ha! Stop.
Tally ho.
Let's play. Yolanda was saying she feels rather nervous, but no need to be nervous. You're all alone up here. It's just you and these 15 numbered squares. And the clock, of course, which is set at base time of 35 seconds. So good luck, Yolanda. Win a car.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
1, 13,
Yes.
3, 4,
No.
6, 10,
No.
9, 4,
No.
12, 5,
No.
15, 6.
Didn't work, Yolanda. You didn't get any breaks at all in the early going. You called about 2, 4, 6, 8, I think 10 numbers, and I didn't see any repeats in there. But there were some, but I didn't see them. That's okay. You won some prizes, and we've got the tiebreaker game coming up after this. Marjorie got a message from E.T. Call home, and here's what she's using to do it.
Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. And munch on Tootsie Roll Midgies, as good as you remember. Only 27 calories. Why not try some today? Tootsie Roll, as good as you remember.
I could eat a lot of those while watching some great event on satellite TV. Let's show Yolanda and David where the satellite dish is located. It is at number 25. Just the one wild card in this game, players. But we have the bonus seconds. We have the cash pot, which is now up to $1,000. And we have a holiday in Boston, Massachusetts.
I like that.
And David, you get to pick first.
Okay, I'm going to start off in the middle with 13.
Dead center for a vacation in Boston.
I like that. I'm going to go with a match for number 6.
Aquarium, no match. Yolanda.
Let's go for número 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Diamond and emerald ring.
You could tell I'm more relaxed now, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for number 9 for a match.
Nueve. Green take, no match. David.
Number 5.
His and her sportswear.
Sportswear. And the match under number 21.
Think so? No, diamond and emerald ring. Yolanda.
Number 1
Yes.
and number 21 for the match.
That's a match. Boy, her whole attitude has changed. Have you noticed,
sure
David?
has.
She was very nervous a while ago. Her hand was trembling, and then all of a sudden she wins a game, and it's Attila the Hun. She's just out to get you. So guard yourself. Let's open these two panels for Yolanda. Select again.
Number 22, please.
22.
Number 13.
Vacation in Boston. No match. David.
Number 23.
High-tech binoculars.
And the match under number 11.
Wild card, so the high-tech binoculars will be coming your way as soon as we show you the other ones right above them at number 18. So 3 doors opening, and this time for David. We have a young lady fan in the audience there who's cheering you on to victory. High school student. Are you married or single, David?
I'm not married.
No? That means... How old are you?
I'm 24.
24 with a 17, 18-year-old girl. 18? We'd better wait just a little bit longer. So forget about the audience. Look down here at the board and pick 2 more numbers.
Okay, number 16.
His and her sportswear.
Okay, and the match under number 2.
Dining room, no
Dining.
match. Yolanda.
Number 15, please.
Print display calculator.
Let's see if we can find that on number 4.
No, green take. Back to David, just like that.
I think we saw that under number 22.
Did we? No, that's the
That's the red take, but I'm going to go with Nueve.
Nueve, number 9.
Ah,
Wrong. How do you say wrong, Yolanda?
Equivocado.
What is it?
Equivocado.
Equivocado. David? Adios, David, maybe. But Yolanda, select again.
Number 15.
Print display calc.
Number 2 for the match.
No, that's the dining room. David, we're back
Okay,
here.
number 4.
4. Green take.
Okay, and number 9 for the match.
Number 9 is correctamente. Yes.
I hope I made up for that.
Diamond and emerald ring up there.
I'm gonna hold.
Okay, take a look. Go again.
Okay, number 7. All right.
Red
And the
tape.
match under number 22.
22 is right. Want to use one of them now?
I will.
Okay, good prize. Diamond and
I
emerald
will.
ring going into David's column, and he gets a look at the puzzle with these 2 doors swinging open, the 2 red takes. Select again.
Number 10
5 bonus seconds.
and number 14.
Aquarium, no match. Yolanda,
Number 19.
dining room,
Number 10.
no seconds, the bonus seconds there. David,
Number 15.
print display calculator.
Haven't seen that yet. Under 19 with the match.
No, we were just there for the dining room. Yolanda,
Number 2.
2, dining room.
Number 19.
19, dining room. Yes, another prize for the lady. Take a look. Try it again, Yolanda.
Number 3.
Cash pot, $1,000.
Ooh. Number 20.
No, there's the calculator. David,
Number 10.
bonus seconds.
Oh. And number 12.
No, vacation in Boston. Yolanda,
Number 15.
calculator.
Number 20 for the
That's
match.
one match. Yes, calculator coming your way. Open it up. Go again, Yolanda. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use this, David. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in as we reveal the puzzle. 3. Yolanda's in first.
Songs and dance.
Is it songs and
dances.
dance? No, it is not. David.
Song
Wait,
and-
wait. We'll reveal the whole puzzle
Okay.
for you.
Song and dance.
Is it song and dance? Yes, it is. Yolanda, you were wrong both ways. You were going to pluralize the dances, and you didn't have to do that. Come on, David, let's go to the board. Good game, players. Good game. Exciting contest.
Saw plus sing, song, hand, and D plus ants, song and dance.
Song and dance. Yes, a singular song and a singular dance. And Yolanda, 2 strikes. Sorry about that.
Good
but you're
luck,
going away
David.
with about $1,000 in prizes. Take care.
Thank
so long.
you.
All right, David. Happy birthday, yes. All right, let's find out about his prizes. What did he win, Gene?
A diamond emerald ring and high-tech binoculars. Bausch & Lomb compact binoculars, one of the first names in sports optics. Waterproof, fog-proof, and center focus enables you to get closer to the action. Furnished by Bushnell.
And a chance to play for a brand new car as well when we come back. Wistful today. He says, I'm having trouble concentrating and focusing on those puzzles, but now it's an entirely different game, as you know. All you have to do is concentrate on 15 numbered squares. You've been up here before. You did pick up the 5 bonus seconds in an earlier game, so you're going to be having to deal with 3/4 of a minute, which is pretty good going. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, David, and 45 seconds on the clock. Take a deep breath. Clear all the cobwebs out of there. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 14,
No.
14, 4,
Yes.
11, 8,
No.
5, 2,
No.
2, 1,
No.
3, 6,
No.
6, 13,
No.
9, 1,
No.
12, 15,
No.
8, 15, 7, 3,
No.
10, 9,
No.
6, 10.
That's right. You know, I could sympathize with you during that round because you missed the Justy combination at 9 and 13, I believe, and you had just seen the Justy at 13. Then you selected 9 and you went to a different corner. So I realized then that you were having trouble focusing today. But that's all right. You've got over $4,000 in prizes. Right. You're the champ. You're going to play again, and we're going to take a break after we hear about this prize from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Sanyo's Fit Anywhere Cube Refrigerator with 1.7 cubic feet of cold storage capacity, and ice compartment is most popular in small offices, vans, boats, and wherever space is limited, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Thanks. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.